In this video, I'll show you how to make an ebook in Canva from start to finish, including both the cover and the inside pages. First, go to canva.com and log in. Click Create a Design and type ebook in the search bar. Select ebook or A4 document depending on your preferred page size. If you plan to sell it digitally, a 4 or US letter works great. Once your blank document opens, browse the Templates panel on the left. Choose an ebook template that matches your topic and style. You can always change the fonts, colors, and layout later. Start by editing your cover page. Click on the title text and replace it with your ebook title. Update the subtitle and author name if needed. Adjust fonts and colors to match your brand or theme. Now, scroll down to the inside pages. Replace placeholder text with your own content. Keep paragraphs short and use headings to break up sections. You can add images, icons, charts, or graphics from the Elements tab to make it visually engaging. To add more pages, click Add Page at the bottom. Keep your design consistent by using the same fonts and color palette throughout the ebook. Make sure your margins are clean and nothing important is too close to the edges. This is especially important if someone prints your ebook. When you're finished, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Standard for digital distribution or PDF Print for higher quality output. And that's it. That's how you create a professional ebook in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials.